Hello my friends, welcome here once again. Today guitar lesson is about a song called Arechichire by Kwabena Akwaboah. The song title is Arechichire, so check YouTube, download the video or the song and play alongside, because my friend Niboy and other people too have asked the same song on YouTube, my Facebook page, YouTube channel here, WhatsApp group. So I have to do a tutorial over this or on the song Arechichire by Akwaboah. The key is G. So as I normally do it, I will play the song and play together with the song and go back and to do the analysis. So let me play the song. After that, the analysis will be started. So join me, exercise patient. The key is G. So that is the whole thing. These are the chords within the song. So let me play back the song. Let me stop the song and play. When I play a part or a phrase, then we do the analysis. We play and we do the analysis. So that it's better for you to take your pen and paper, because it deals with a whole lot of chords. So take your pen and paper, write it down, or else it is not possible for you to catch the whole chords at once. So let me play the intro, then we all do the intro from the verse, first verse, chorus, breaks, and the bridges in the song. So let's all start from the intro. So that part, let's do that part. So we start from do, la, fa, so, 2 times. So then the song is coming, the singer is coming in. So let's do and continue from that angle. So let's go here. Then we move fa, so, do, fa, so 2 times. So let's move to that point where the singer came in. Okay, let's go again. So let's move, let's do that part. Manida suni nani Eya angasa dona mido. So we start do la fa so for intro. Then manida suni nani fa so do Eya angasa dona mido so do. So let's continue. So write it down so that you not get confused. The intro, then the first. So la fa 2 times again. So let's do that part. So fa. Then we start fa again 2 times. Then re. So then mi, la, fa, do. Then we move to fa. So then where we punch. So let's all follow again. Fa, fa again. Re, so, mi, la, fa, do, fa, so. Then we are moving on to the chorus. So let's play that part again. There you go. That part. Do, la, fa, re, so, mi, la, fa, do, fa, so. So that is chorus part. Let's do the chorus part again. So do, so do, re, fa, so, do, la, so, do, fa, so, la, fa, so, do. So that is the chorus part. So do, fa, so, do, la, so, do, fa, so, la, fa, so, do. For the chorus. So let's run over it. Do, fa, so, do, la, so, do, fa, so, la, fa, so, do. That's the chorus part. So let's play with the chorus. Let's go back. Fa, so, do. Two times. Fa, so, la, fa, so, do. So let's continue. So after that, when there is a break, it's a chorus finish. It's last. La, so, dancing. Then the whole thing has started again. Do, fa, beginning. The chorus again. The whole thing 2 times. So we are going to the play. So let's take the break again because here we've repeated the whole thing except the intro. The whole thing repeated twice. So when the first one we finish the first round, we break for la. So from do there when alright, so then we are now maintain or dancing. So the whole thing is being starting again. We have started it again and play the chorus. So it means the first part has become 2. So it's left with the second part. That is the bridge. There was a bridge or modulation. So let's check out the modulation and go to it. So the changes. So let's do that part alone. So we move to the key E flat. So we are moving to E flat. These are the chords. Write it down because you will get confused. E flat, Do. This is E flat. Or we can move to this E flat here. Everywhere we go, it is the same. So let's do it here, and we will do it here too. So let's say we have come here. So then we move to so E flat. So then we move to Do. Fa, Mi, 2 times. La, Mi again. Fa, Do, 2 times. Then we move to Fi. We have Fi. This is Fi A. Then we move to Re. Then So. Then back to G. So that is G. So G. Back. We are going back to the key G. So that is the reason why I play the Fi there. Back to. Then we are going to play the solo. The keyboard is going to play the solo with different chords. So let's do the bridge again, or the modulation. And yeah, ground. And give me more. Fa, Mi, 2 times. La, Mi, Fa, Do, 2. Fi, Re. So then back to C. So let's play it together with a song. So E flat, Fa, So, Do, La, Fa, Mi, 2 times. La, Mi, Fa, Do, 2 times. Fi, Re. So let's do the solo, or play the modulation again. We are moving to that modulation. I'm sure that is where people are having the challenges. So the modulation, we are moving to E flat. Fa, So at E flat. Do, La, Fa, Mi at E flat, or at E flat, Mi 2 times. Mi, Fa, Do, 2 times. Fi, So. So let's go and do the solo there. So let's play to the where the solo is. Bridge, E flat. E flat, Fa, So, Mi, let's go to that solo, the keyboard solo side. Let's do fa, so, do 2 times. Fa, so, do 2 times. Fa, so, do. Then we move to. So let's take the solo part slowly. The analysis there. So, do, fa, so, do 2 times. Fa, so, do 2 times. Fa, so. Then we play the to here. Have to as F major. To major, then back to fa, so, do. So let's go. Then to, fa, so, do. So you can work it out and play yours here, both G sharp, and if only you know the board, because you can play the E flat here. Do when we move to the E flat, you can play do, fa, so, do, la, fa, mi 2 times. La again, la, mi, fa, do. Then we move to fi, re, so, then back to G flat, so, G, so, G, so, and then we started the solo here. And the solo start do, fa, so, do, fa, so, do, fa, so, do. That is to. Then we move to fa. So all the chords we play here, we can play it here too. They are the same. So the only thing to know is the board. You know how you understand the board. So I'm sure my friend Niboy and the other one, I don't know your name, your question is answered here. So take your time and download the song, play along with it. Try to remember the chords very well, because if you don't know the chords, you cannot play. So thank you for joining me in this lesson.